Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Ebike conversion kits. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5 is Ebike Wheel Hub Motor. Specifications. Brand name is Ebike. Rated voltage 36 volts. Rated power 250 watts front wheel. Construction geared. Open size 100 millimeters. Max speed 25 to 32 kilometers per hour. Weight 2.8 kilograms. Max RPM 270 revolutions per minute. Mile range 40 to 60 kilometers. Hall sensor double. Brake type disc brake/V brake. Max torque 37 Nm. Max load 120 kg. Product number 4, Bafang Engine Motor Kit. Specifications. Brand name, Bafang. Size, 29-inch. Mounting position, mid-drive. Design, brushless. Wattage, 501 to 1000 watts. Motor, side-hung motor. Reduction ratio, 1 minute and 21.9 seconds. Waterproof grade, IPX5. Warranty, 2 years. Product number 3, Bafang G020. Specifications. Brand name, Bafang. Size, 700C. Mounting position, rear drive. Design, brushless. Wattage, 501 to 1000 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless gear hub motor. Origin, China. Product number 2, Ebike Conversion Kit. Specifications. Brand name, Akfeet. Rated voltage, 52 volts to 72 volts. Rated power, 2000 watts to 3000 watts. Rated speed, 60 to 65 kilometers per hour, 70 to 75 kilometers per hour. Open size, 140 millimeters, 135 millimeters. Max torque, 81 Nm, 120 Nm. Max RPM, 600 revolutions per minute to 640 revolutions per minute. Noise grade, 55 dB. Construction, gearless. Brake type, disc brake. Hall sensor, single, double. Efficiency, 80%. Weight, about 7.5 kilograms to 9.5 kilograms. Product number 1, Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. Specifications. Brand name, CSC. Size, 26-inch. Mounting position, rear drive. Wattage, 1000 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless non-gear hub motor. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.